This is AMC, and the reason why the stock is not trading at, say, $1.44 and instead trading at $14.50 is because they did a 1-for-10 reverse split that became effective today. Now, what's interesting about the price action as of recent is that there is unusual option activity. Let's get into this article. It's coming from bar charts before we continue with the analysis, because this one is a little tricky. All right, so AMC Entertainment, unusual option activity shows speculators are back. So huge option volume coming in despite the stock being down 20%. Again, this article came out on Wednesday. Speculators are positioning for a jackpot in AMC stock rebounds by buying a large amount of out-of-the-money calls. Now, what makes this interesting is that tomorrow, these APE shares, AMC Preferred Equity Units, are going to be converted into common stock. So what that means is that when they're converted, it's going to dilute shareholder value. The unusual activity can be seen in bar charts. Unusual stock options activity report today. For example, it shows that almost 36,000 call options were traded at the $2.50 strike price that expires in January. So really look at it as these speculators that are thinking that it's going to rebound to $22.50 by January. They will be in the money. So the investors paid 50 cents for the calls. So break even is, say, $30 in this case. Yeah, $30. And as you can see, they had a volume to open interest. So the volume was 36,000. Open interest was only roughly 200, which shows this is what you want to see when you're looking for unusual option activity. And again, these were bought back in 2 days ago on August 22nd. Now, fundamentally, because then we're going to get into the technicals, which makes things very interesting. AMC reported improved earnings on Q2 on August 8th, and that was thanks to Barbie. Although it is still burning through cash. Some traders are speculating that the company will run out of cash before it turns free cash flow positive. That is what has pushed AMC down from $5 on August 8th to just over $2 today. Again, $50 to $20. But price is currently selling at $14.50. At the end of Q2, the company had available liquidity of $643 million. However, this included $208 million in undrawn lines of credit. Its actual cash balance was just $435 million. That was down $196 million at the end of December 2022. Moreover, its borrowings are high at $4.8 billion. Slightly down from the $5.14 billion on August 31st. All right. That is the case unless AMC can turn its cash burn situation around. Here's what the company is saying. Its net cash from operation is still negative, but the improved by just a negative $13 million in the quarter. All right, so where does this leave AMC overall? So despite speculators' wishes, the outlook for AMC does not look really good. Keep in mind that buying AMC call options at this point is really more akin to a gamble. In fact, it might be that some of these speculators are selling near-term calls to help pay for the long-term options calls they purchase. Quite possible. All right, so let's go to the charts. And we're going to look at the monthly chart. So I can't believe that the smart money on Wall Street is bullish on AMC. They think that by January, in order for them to be profitable, stock is going to be trading plus $30. So So this one is tough because, again, as the article mentioned, they could just be selling those call options to pay for their longer shorts. Nevertheless, you do see a bottom at the $10 level. That would really be zero. And although that $10 level is really zero, you have this double bottom formation. Which caused price to reverse. Question is, are you about to form a triple bottom? Only time will tell. Let's put that in orange. Only time will tell. Now, I was actually looking to get in with the smart money, but with the price changes, the option volumes is not up to date yet, so I'm just staying out of it. What's interesting to note on the monthly chart, after it hit this double bottom, you can see the formation of a W pattern. And that's why price hung out since the beginning of the year at about $36, which would be $3.60 pre-reverse split. Because typically the apex of the W, price tends to pull back before continuing. Pretty cool, right? All right, so nevertheless, weekly chart is selling off this week. Again, anticipation of those APE preferred shares converting to regular shares, right? Further diluting shareholder valuation. If we go to the daily chart, we can see a couple of gaps this week. I do not see price rebounding anytime soon. I think that smart money didn't buy those call options, but they sold them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.